Go ahead. You're on.
All right. Hi, Professor Ria. My name is Carter Campbell.
And my name's Colin Quaylar.
And first of all, I just want to say thank you for letting us get this in. We kind of rushed turning in this CLC. We're both home already, made the trip home. So
Yeah.
it's been a crazy weekend, but thank you for letting us get it in. And we'll get into it. Design doc wise, really nothing's changed. I mean, our requirement for this milestone is just adding JavaDoc commenting. So nothing really design wise has changed. Wireframes are all the same, UMLs are all the same. We'll talk about the pipeline real quick, Colton.
Yeah, so pipeline's still all the same. Not going to run it again right now because I am, as I've stated, completely out of Azure credits. But you can see here, we just set it up through Azure DevOps. So, you just connect that to your Git repo. And like I said, in the last presentation, I had to set up an agent on my computer to get this to run because Azure DevOps doesn't let you run things without contacting them and going through a whole bunch of hoops. But you can see in this screenshot right here a successful run where I actually pushed. It actually pushed to my Azure application.
Yeah. And that's really it design wise. I'll show Uptime Robot and that stuff in a second, but just showing off our JavaDoc commenting. Every method has pretty just basic JavaDoc description of the method, and just kind of showing off that we have it for all the methods and all our main classes. And then I'll go over, sorry, this probably looks so terrible switching my screen like this.
Nah, it's fine.
Here we have, I'll go ahead and just kind of show Uptime Robot real quick. It's just connected to our default domain. We are up and running on Azure right now. Here is our log screen, and I'll show you that just comes in as the stream. So if we go over to our application here, let me move this real quick. So the browse page, we can just play videos. So that's going to pull up our video player down here.
Oh, you full screened it.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. Video player there to play our tracks, and then we can just create a test track real quick. I'm not going to worry about putting an actual link. Oh, and I already have 2 test tracks, so we can edit this one. We'll do test update, save, test update, and then we can just delete, and we're all good there. And those have just the same ID because that's what they were put in as. And that's really it for the demo. You can just play songs, add songs,
pretty simple, kind of neat, maybe useful.
Simple, yep. And yep, Uptime Robot. And then yeah, you can see here, these just came in as a streamer. Actually, I might have to refresh this because it was showing logs from earlier. So you can see here we're connected to our log streaming. We go to manage. We'll edit this. Update to, save. You can see all these logs come in. There is some HTML, but you can see our logs do come through here where these are just CSS here. We're getting all the tracks after you delete. It just pulls all tracks. So, yep, that's really everything. Demo, not really any updates to design and JavaDoc.
Yep. So I think that's about it. Once again, I'm sorry about all the confusion around our submission of this. And thank you for working with us. And thank you for a great semester. This class has been pretty fun.
Yep.
So.
For sure.
Yep.
All right.
Thank
you very much.
If I can figure out how to